crew, it's your girl TiaBella, and I'm going to be doing another nail collab with Baby Girl Nails, and this time the theme for this one is autumn. So to get started with these nails, I'm going to be doing some press-ons. I am taking a break, as I would have mentioned, from applying too much products to my nails, so I'm going to be doing some press-ons in this video, and I'm going to show you detailed everything that I did to prepare these nails. So I did file and buff the nails. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take my Makartt base gel and just apply this to the nail and then cure this for around 30 to 45 seconds. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. Just going to go ahead and put the featured comment up on the screen. A huge thank you to everyone that watches my videos, everyone that comments shortly after it goes up, because that helps it to, reach more persons. And everyone that just sends good vibes my way. I really appreciate all you guys. And the channel is steadily growing, so I'm super excited about that. So again, a super huge thank you. Now let's get back to these nails. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this glitter gel polish from the Femi Beauty collection. This one is called Peachy, and I'm just going to go over the entire nail with this color. Now this is not going to be my feature color. This is just going to be my background color. So if you find that you want to custom create colors, this is definitely a good way that you can, kind of create your own magic with gel polish. I didn't cure the glitter gel polish. I'm just going to go in with a very thin layer of this beautiful pink neutral gel polish all over the nail. And I like that the shimmer is in the background because it's going to give this color a little bit of pop. And you can see sometimes with glitter, it is very textured. So you can clearly see like this gel polish is like self-leveling to some extent. It's not bumpy, it's not textured, it's completely smooth. And that's what I really like about the Makartt gel polishes. They just really work really well. Once I'm satisfied with that, I go over the rest of the nails. Some of them I leave with just the peachy, the little glitter gel polish, because I'm going to be, experimenting with different designs. And I grabbed this Blanc, which is a white gel polish, because I had an idea in my mind of what I wanted to do. I was thinking, another crocodile design that I did before. So that's why I grabbed the Amelie Blooming Gel. And then I have this little cream color here. So I was thinking I would go with some glitter, right, onto these nails because I want it to be autumn. So it's going to be orange, right? And as soon as I picked the glitter up, it just spilled. When I tell you that I could have almost cried. But when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. So I had to sit there and think, how am I going to, improvise and do something completely different than what I originally thought? And I still went ahead and applied the blooming gel because in my mind, I was like, maybe I could still continue with putting on the little crocodile or the alligator, whatever you call it, design onto the nail. So as I got started, I put the blooming gel onto the nail, right? You're going to leave this wet. You're not going to cure this. And then I take my little painting palette, which I use a lot. I got this from AliExpress. If you need one, you definitely need one in your life. And I take some of that little cream color and I'm just going to grab a dotting tool and apply the lines onto the blooming gel polish, and I just allow them to spread out and create that beautiful magic. Alrighty, so once the nail has been cured for around 30 to 45 seconds, I'm just going to go in with a layer of top coat over the entire nail just to seal this design in, and also to protect this glitter as well, because I'm going to possibly be adding some art or some bling to this. I don't know yet. And that's how the nails are looking so far. So you could stop here if you like some really, basic or normal nails, but I am doing this for Baby Girl Nails, and this is TiaBella, so we're going to do something a little bit wild on this channel. So I'm going to do a French on this one, And I'm taking that same cream gel polish and going over the area of the nail where I want the French to be. Now, I'm not going to cure this cream color. I just need it wet so that I can pour some glitter onto this nail. Now, there are a number of different ways that you can do your French. I know there are like liner stickers or something like that. I don't know what they're called. But I don't need this to be a perfect French because I'm pouring glitter onto this. I just need the lines to be there so that, you know, I still get a clean line for the glitter. So you can take 2 dots and put those to the side and just kind of use your liner brush to kind of connect it to the rest of the gel polish. And that's one easy way that you can create your own French. Now, obviously, if you were curing this, you would definitely need to do a much cleaner job than I am doing here. So here is that thumb after I've poured the glitter on. I use a copper kind of glitter from Charlie's Nail Art. So I have these rhinestones here from AliExpress as well as these maple leaves. The gold maple leaves was also from Charlie's Nail Art, and I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do with them. So I kind of bend them a little bit because I know that I want to apply them to those 2 plain fingers just to add in some fall vibes to the nail. So I'm going to take my rhinestone glue because I tried to put these on just now with just the top gel, but the top gel is too thin. They weren't holding down because they're metal sequins. So I'm going to take some some rhinestone glue and just kind of pop these on. And then I'm going to cure those leaves under the UV lamp for around 30 to 45 seconds. All right, so now let's get to the fun part of drawing. Now, you could stop here and just add some rhinestones and then you are perfectly fine. But I want to do a little bit more art onto these nails. I felt like they just needed some brown in them. And the brown from Femi Beauty is more on the milk chocolate side. I wanted a really deep brown. So I'm just going to add a little bit of black gel polish. It's just the Noir gel polish from the Duet collection from Makartt. And I'm just going to mix these 2 together. And that should give me a perfectly dark chocolate color, which is what I'm looking for. So you could have guessed already from the thumbnail that I am drawing some tree branches on to these nails. So I'm just going to grab that same liner brush that you saw me use earlier to do the French. And I'm going to draw my lines onto these 2 nails that were, you know, kind of accidentally experimenting. So what should have been a crocodile alligator is now turning into a beautiful landscape, a beautiful backdrop on this canvas of art. So as you can see, the glitter is going to kind of represent autumn. You know, the leaves turn kind of golden yellow, and during the sunset, you know, they kind of glisten into the gaze of you know, the sunset. So sometimes I'd be talking about something and I just stop talking and start daydreaming. That's what just happened just now. So anyway, so I'm just drawing my lines and I bring the branches down, and then I also bring the tree trunk down. So as you can see, I did this on both fingers. And if you actually put them together, they make such a beautiful tree. So this was my little way of incorporating a little bit more of, you know, autumn into this nail design. And I really like it. I really do like it. So to seal this nail design in, I go in with a layer of top coat over both nails. And then I put them back under the UV lamp for another 30 to 45 seconds to cure. So I am going to add some of these gold rhinestones that I have here on the table. These are from AliExpress. These were in an AliExpress haul as well. So if you want to see where I got these from, please feel free to visit that video. So I'm going to take a little bit of that rhinestone gel again, because I tried to put it on again with the top gel and it wasn't quite going on. So I needed to add that extra reinforcement. And I'm just going to take different sizes of these gold flat back rhinestones and just, you know, put a few of them around the tip of both of these nails that have the tree trunks on them. And here is how they're looking. Now for the thumb, I felt like I needed a little bit of bling. So I have these little gold chain links, and then I have these big, you know, big bling, both of these from AliExpress. And I said, you know what, I'm just going to add a little bit extra on there. And that is how the nails turn out. I really hope baby girl likes them. I know that she usually has like really big, bold colors. And so I wanted to make sure that this was fully fall and fully inspired by her. So make sure you hop on over to her channel and see what she created for myself. Give her a like, give her a follow, you know, comment, everything, do everything. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.